How to make TikTok shop account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Google and simply search for TikTok shop. After that, open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this is where it will take you. Now over here, click on the option of get started. Also make sure that you are on the correct website. So just check the URL. It is shop.tiktok.com and just open it up. Then click on get started and it will take you over here, and just scroll down. After that, you will be able to find the option of TikTok shop. Whether you are a seller, creator, partner, shopper, simply select the option of seller over here, and these are some details regarding the seller option, and just simply click on this option of learn more. After that, it will redirect you to a different page. Just wait for it to load. After that, it will redirect you over here, and in case if you don't have TikTok for business or TikTok shop, then just simply sign up using your details. And in case if you already have it, then just simply click on this option of login at the bottom and log into your TikTok business account or TikTok shop. Otherwise, just simply provide your phone number or your email address and click on continue. This way you would be able to create your TikTok shop after providing some more details about yourself and all the information related to your shop, like the kind of products that you want to sell. Just provide all the information in a true form, and this way you would be able to create the account. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.